this one manifestation mistake was actually blocking me from manifesting something that I've been trying to manifest for quite some time. And the moment I fixed it, I actually, in less than 21 days, manifested one of my YouTube accounts to get monetized. That has been one of the things that I have been trying to manifest for the last 2 years now. Okay. And that was like a big manifestation for me because that was like a dream that I put on a pedestal, and it just wouldn't manifest until I fixed this. And I want to share with you that one thing that actually tips you from being someone who doesn't manifest or can't manifest to with 100% guarantee always getting what you want. And that thing, my dear friends, is consistency and discipline. So, if there is something in your life that you have been trying to manifest for quite some time and it has just always eluded you, you just cannot manifest this thing, it just does not come to you, then in today's video, let me share with you my honest story about how small things like consistency and discipline are actually the backbones of manifestation. Like, if you really want to manifest, it doesn't matter what technique you use, it doesn't matter what affirmation you use or what you visualize or what meditation you use. It's not about what subliminal you use, but rather about your consistency and your persistence in the technique that you are using. It doesn't matter what you do, okay? There is no best manifestation technique. All manifestation techniques work, but they work when you are consistent and when you are disciplined. So let me literally, like, if you are at a place where you are doubting whether your dream is going to manifest or not, let me give you an honest explanation of my situation, because I was very good at manifesting things I didn't really care about. I could instantly manifest small things here and there, and then of course I've manifested big things too. But then there was this one thing. I wanted to get monetized on YouTube and I wanted to really grow rapidly on YouTube. And this one thing didn't come as easy. And I'll tell you why. Why did that happen? Because when I started my YouTube journey about 2.5 years ago, I was not very clear on how exactly manifestation works. And so I used to use techniques and I used to visualize and I used to try to feel the feelings. But what I missed doing was consistency and the mental diet bit. Like, I had no control. I would affirm for like 15 minutes, but then for the rest of the day, I had no control over my thoughts, and they were usually negative, and hence I started creating so much resistance in my head towards my desire that was for my YouTube to get monetized, right? And then, of course, because I had a poor mental diet, I would use a manifestation technique or an affirmation for like 3 days or at best 7 days and then quit it when I would not see the results that I wanted to see. So, yeah, I was able to manifest small things here and there, and I was able to, like, quit my job and work full time as a content creator. But it wasn't like the one thing that I wanted, right? That I really, really wanted. I wasn't moving towards that at all. In fact, I got monetized, but on Facebook, which was not something that I was trying to manifest. So, like, it was like when you try to manifest something, but you get something else instead of it. That was my situation, and I wanted it to change. So, what did I change? What did I do that finally made me manifest something that I've been trying to manifest for a couple of years in less than 21 days? And it was this: finally understanding that if you want to change your reality, you're going to have to become a different person. You're going to have to become the person who thinks like that new reality, who who thinks like the person in that new reality, who is constantly thinking thoughts about having the dream reality instead of doubting, fearing, worrying predominantly. Now, listen, a little doubt is okay, a little wobble is okay, a little wavering is okay. But if you just spend like 15 minutes affirming and visualizing, and the rest of the day, your thoughts are like a wreck, a train wreck, and you have no control over them, you do realize that spending 23 hours, 45 minutes thinking thoughts about lack is not going to in any way like help you manifest. In fact, spending that 15 minutes and then spending 15 minutes affirming, visualizing, scripting, and then spending the rest of the day thinking negatively, nothing is going to change in your life. This is when manifestation techniques don't work. And then ultimately, you will give up on the technique because you won't see movement, right? If you want to change that, like I decided that I've had enough, okay, I have studied enough, I understand manifestation enough. But studying and understanding is not enough. You have to actually put manifestation into action. You have to actually work on the knowledge. You have to gain the practical experience. Reading as many manifestation books as possible and then doing nothing about what they are teaching, or listening to as many manifestation videos as possible and then doing nothing about what they are teaching is not going to change anything. It can give you the knowledge, but that will be it, that will be all. You will not get to experience the manifestation unless you apply the teachings practically in your life. And that's what I changed. Like, I kept hearing Persistence by Neville Goddard, or Bob Proctor used to say, you have to keep doing it till one day it all changes. And every manifestation coach who has ever done something of importance in this world, like created a change. You can name all of them: Abraham Hicks, Louis Hay, Neville Goddard, Dr. Joe Dispenza, Bob Proctor, anyone who has actually created some sort of difference in the life of people will tell you that you have to keep repeating and you have to keep persisting and you have to be disciplined in who you are being till you change. And that's exactly what I did. This time, I went all in. Okay. I will link that channel, by the way, because it's monetized now and I've started making money, and you can check that channel. But here's what I did. I love meditating and I love visualizing. I also like affirming and I enjoy scripting. So I went all in, but you don't have to go all in. You just pick one technique that you like. It could be visualization, affirmation, scripting, whatever you like. Pick one technique. You don't have to go all in like me. I was like desperate to change things, so I went all in. You can go all in, but do it when you promise yourself that you're going to be consistent and you're not going to give up till you get what you desire. Okay, so with that intention in mind, that you are not going to give up till you get what you desire, pick one or multiple techniques, whatever feels good to you. Because like I said, it's not about the technique. Do it. Do the technique, do the meditation. I used to do Bob Proctor's relax meditation. You can find it on YouTube. I'd still do. I do it daily because I have like a different goal that I'm now trying to manifest once like the monetization thing has been achieved. So I do the relaxation meditation, and in that relaxation meditation, at the end we visualize, then I script and affirm. But here is what finally made the difference: consistency. First of all, I never gave up, even when I wasn't seeing results initially. I didn't care. I decided that I'm going to change who I am. I'm going to change myself, and I kept doing it, right? Doing my techniques. And then the mental diet bit, which was very, very important. I refused to give attention to thoughts that told me why I can't have what I want, how I can't have what I want, why I'm not the right person to have this thing or to have this kind of dream. I refused to pay attention to those kind of thoughts. I absolutely do not give a damn about anything. I just want it, and I'm going to think thoughts that tell me that I have it. I'm going to imagine my life when I have my desire, like what would my life look like when my YouTube got monetized? What would I think when my YouTube got monetized? What would I do when my YouTube got monetized? And I took inspired action. I took inspired action. Whatever my mind told me that I should do, that I really felt excited about doing, because that's inspired action, I did it. I didn't procrastinate. I didn't wait. And ultimately, within 21 days, some of my videos started working. I achieved the target goals for the monetization and I actually got monetized. And in fact, what's more is that I started signing clients even more consistently. And now that is something that I wasn't even manifesting consciously. My focus was towards the monetization, but it was a side effect, you know. So multiple things started manifesting for me. Things that I've wanted started manifesting for me when I got consistent with two things: with my mental diet, because that's most important. Living in the end, mental diet is most important. You know, because in manifestation, guys, you don't get what you want, you get who you are being. It's about your vibration, it's about your assumptions, who you think you are, and what you think you're worthy of, and that's exactly what you will get. So that's what happened with manifestation, with my meditations, with the affirmations, with the scripts that I would write, where I would write my dream life in detail. Everything changed because I started becoming that person. You know, when you repeat something to yourself, when you repeat to yourself, you are worthy, I'm good enough, I'm monetized. When you repeat these I am kind of affirmations, you change your personality, you change your vibration, you change your assumptions about yourself, and you end up manifesting whatever it is that you want. And that's exactly what happened. Even when I have been trying to manifest this thing for 2 years, just this change, consistently speaking to myself in the right affirmations, consistently thinking about my life from the viewpoint of having what I desire, changed everything. And that's how it all manifested. That's how it all changed. So if you want to manifest something that you've been trying to manifest for quite some time and nothing has been happening, and you just cannot catch a break, you just cannot make it happen, go all in. The next 21 days minimum, go all in. Promise to yourself that you're not going to skip any day, no matter what, with the mental diet and with the technique. And you're going to do your best to think about your life from the end point of having what you desire. And you will have what you desire, because it cannot just be any other way. It's inevitable that you get what you want, as long as you stick with the thing, as long as you continue to change your personality. And that's literally what manifests. Manifestation is easy. You just have to put it in practice and it will work. So thank you so much for joining me here today. Subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed yet. When you do subscribe, press the bell icon and hit the like button, comment Master Manifestor, share this video. And if you want to book a personal coaching with me, by the way, I'm Neha Kumar. So if you want to book personal coaching with me, or if you want to sign up for my manifestation challenge, check the description box for all the details, and I will see you again soon. Bye.